Hello, my name is Sagar Nikam. I am the director of ELC, an MBA Entrance Coaching Institute. And in this video, I will explain you how to create your APAAR ID. This ID is needed to register for various exams. So let us see the process. First, you have to go to digilocker.gov.in. Here, you need to log in. If you already have the account, just mention your mobile number. If you don't have your DigiLocker account, you need to create your DigiLocker account. So I have already registered. You need to enter your 6-digit security pin here. Now, here there is a tab called as document you might need. On this tab, click view all. And in the search bar, click APAAR, right? APAAR, APAAR. Enter. Here you can see this tab, Academic Bank of Credits, Delhi. Click on it. Then here you can see APAAR ID. You will see the basic details of yours. They will ask you for identity value. If you don't have any identity value, select identity type as none. Click on it, click on OK, and then click on Get Document. Here you can see APAAR ID. Click on APAAR ID, and you will get your documents here, and you can download the same document. In this part, I will explain you how to register for CET exam. You need to open cetcell.mahacet.org website. Here on the right hand side, you can see CET examination portal for AY 2026-27. Click on it. If you haven't registered, then new user and click on the register. I have already registered, so my details are already there. I just need to sign. Here you can see the note where they mention that you need to have your Aadhaar and APAAR ID ready before you register. So here they have given the link to go to DigiLocker. So proceed to DigiLocker. Here you need to enter your Aadhaar card number to access your DigiLocker account. Enter your Aadhaar card number. So you will get an OTP on your mobile number. Enter the OTP. Click on submit. Again, you have to enter your 6-digit security PIN for DigiLocker. Now in the issued documents, you can find APAAR ID. Click on it. Aadhaar card. Click on it. Other documents are also there, but you don't need to give permission to access them. And click on allow. Here you will see the message, the documents are shared successfully. And now you can proceed